Andre, did you make sure the breastises are set? There we go.
Wait.
Oh, Jesus.
Wait.
This is the shit I put up with, everybody.
Look at my cum cup.
Ew.
That's not a cup, dude. That's a fucking keg.
Anyway.
Whatever.
So, we're just here fucking around with our new toy. 7127, I
What are you,
think.
dyslexic?
Yes.
Special, okay?
7127.
Yeah.
Not 227. Jackie.
So, this is just a GM1.
So what do you need in your life? A man.
This is actually the old one. Oh, my God. This is actually the old one off of Mo's car. Because he got one that's 100 amp output.
Yep.
So this is one that was just on there. I mean, it was working. It was charging. But we were just playing with the tester, giving it a try.
Yeah, because we can't test mine.
Yeah.
It's too old.
Andre's got weird stuff that we can't test.
Yeah,
And
a
see-
63 Studebaker Avanti.
The problem with the tester was that the owner of the tester forgot to plug it in.
Yeah, we were like, why didn't it work?
Well,
Like,
everything
nothing-
lit up.
Yeah, but lit up.
How the hell did it
You
light
looking
up
at
if
me?
nothing was plugged in?
Because
I
this
forgot to plug
is
it in.
powered by this. So the other two plugs,
I like
which
her.
is all of this, and technically the inner workings of this. So this was just lit up.
Okay,
now
so
everything
explaining
lights
it to the people at home, we got a part number.
Yeah, I just looked on like AutoZone for
Yeah,
GM1
just
wire.
for a general part number.
And all the big part stores, Zone, Napa, O'Reilly, CarQuest, Advance, Pep Boys when they were around. It's all the same part number. They just put like an A or a
Yeah, pretty
P
much.
or a
It tells you which testing end to put on.
stick
And
it in.
this one is stick it in. And this one is NO1.
Continuing on. Where were we, boys? We'll see you. 7127. Yeah, get a voltage regulator.
Get a voltage regulator.
So 7127.
Okay, so here
All
we
the
are.
stuff is hooked up.
Yes, and we actually plugged it in the wall this time.
Oh, damn it.
Why don't you plug it in your hole?
That's later.
That's later.
That's for a starter tester.
Ooh.
And
Activate.
burn rubber.
Engage.
Look at that. New toy. Ooh. Okay.
Dude, that tasted bad.
Ew.
And
Didn't sound
survey
like
it says.
says
Boom. Good alternator.
Yay, it's good.
Golf clap.
Go clap. Yay. Yay. Gentlemen.
it's golf. You have to be quiet.
Quiet. Quiet.
Could you please be quiet? I'd like
What
to hear
is
the
it?
grass grow.
Yeah.
So here we have, boys and girls. It now works. Everything's good, and we know we can test alternators. We're getting to the starter point soon. Give us a little bit, and we'll get everybody ready. Whenever you need something, bring it in.
Come on by.
We just don't have. You just don't have the connector for that
Yeah.
starter.
Well, you know. I
I'm
don't
sure
know.
we probably do if we could cross-reference it to something.
Yeah, I mean, that's easy. It's just field and, you know,
Oh, it's so easy.
So
field.
technically,
Hot field, ground.
yeah. So
Ground,
all we need to
ground,
figure
hot
out
field.
is
Hold on. There might be a thing in this box. What's in the box?
bitch.
Hold up.
Got
Hold up.
Hold it. You see what it has said was.
Look at, we have all these wire chingadarias.
No, didn't
Now, what if you put ground and that goes to field? Put the yellow one on your nipple. Because this is the one Alan had on there. What do you bet this is for, like, the Mustangs? Field, ground, field, left nipple,
Are you
right
sure?
nipple. Well,
What's it gonna do?
it'll shut off if it's fucked. But that's the one they had on there, and you know they do nothing but old Mustangs there. I'm just trying to be smart. See, what had happened was,
What it had said was.
we hooked it up, and it went dang on. Dang on, tell you what, it dang on went boom, man.
But don't you? Wait a minute. Don't you have to tell it what you're testing?
Yeah, we just lie to it and tell it's a 66 Mustang. Duh.
NO3.
So, Google up 66 Mustang, somebody. Alternator part number. See, what had happened was, we let the dang old thing run. I dang on tell you what. Test results.
Move before I stab you.
Ooh, look.
Oh, that's cool as ripple voltage.
Look at that.
Cool shit.
That's neat. Oh, wait. Let's see if the printer works. Oh, girl! Woo! Look at that.
There we go.
Wow. The date's right. Dude, the timer.
Oh, well, this just says
Ford.
71276A.
Can't be.
It can't be.
No, because it's a GM1 wire. For a 66 Mustang?
Well, I typed that in, but God only knows
No,
if it
you
actually
gotta
went
actually look
there.
it up. Hey, do like a 65 Mustang or 66 Mustang. Scotty, did the Chingus get stuck?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you should unplug it from here first, just so you don't fry the thing. Muskrat. We like the Muskrat.
Okay, that's 15189.
15189. That sounds about right.
I'm guessing. Wiggle it.
Just a little.
All right, somebody else can figure out how to get that thing
We'll
off.
fuck with that later. Ooh!
Oh, Jesus.
Whatever.
So let's just see.
See, what had happened was
You see what had happened was.
test alternator, customer test.
Oh, you fucking crotch. 15189. God!
Bitch. Look up something else. What if it's 5189?
It's
Like
15189.
Look
No,
up.
it stops at that.
That's a pure energy. Look up Vato Zone.
Well, it's not
Just go to Vato Zone.
Twata Zone.
Vato Zone.
What'd you do with connector?
I just playing with it. It's right here. Ground, field. Field is yellow. Ground is green. Like the grass.
No, you don't need my location to look up.
I just need a part number.
Oh, see, now this brought up my account, so I've got 50 cars in here. It won't let me add another one.
Because you... Okay, are you having fun playing? Okay, now we just need a part number.
I'm going.
Today... Oh, Rock Auto would have it.
That's why I'm looking. You said 60.
I think 66, 65. Mustang with 289.
66.
Mustang with 289.
Mustang.
289.
4.7. Electrical.
Look at these girls on their phones.
Alternator. 55 amp. 20144. 7058.
7058. There it is. Ding, ding, ding. Yep, I guessed right. Oh no, field is green. Oh, well, sorry.
Well, yeah, it makes sense. When you're out in the field, it could be green unless it's cotton.
Yeah, but ground is green. Ground is green. Did you never fucking build a house?
No. We have service for that.
Some of us have to do this ourselves. Oh look. Hey Scotty, we done
Yes.
we done outsmarted the damn thing. Okay, we're gonna try it. Andres Avante. Uh-oh.
Survey says.
You're fucked. No, just kidding.
Woo! Spin it, girl.
That sounded weird.
That does sound weird. I think it's putting an extra load on it.
Possible.
All your stuff like extra loads.
Survey says.
It's good.
Oh my god!
Oh, where's the results? Where's the results? Maury Povich wants to know where the results
That says cancel.
No, test results. You're not the father. 14.9, ripple voltage.
Yeah, you're good.
Your alternator's good.
So-
Go get a regulator.
I gotta get a
$12.
regulator.
Go for it.
Regulators?
Mount up!
We fucked in the head, girl. Oh, her.
Look at you guys.
Look at that. Pass.
Look at that.
Shit.
Genuine good alternator.
Look at that bitch.
Look at that. Okay, so that's the one for oldies.
She's a
Yeah,
good
so we
hoe.
just leave that bitch on there.
Yeah.
And then we'll just reference
And remember, green is field.
66 Mustang.
There we go.
All right, gang.
Sweet.
Look at we successfully played with our toy
In public on film.
on film.
I believe it's called video now because it's no real film.
Oh yeah.
Well, you know.
Since I'm the one who's only done anything on film.
You sure about that?
Yeah, but no one pays for yours. Ooh.
Oh my god. Okay.
Turn off the camera. There's gonna be blood.